So, what seems to be the problem? We wanted to talk to you about our new shared project. The client keeps asking for changes, and they're even expecting the project to be finalized earlier than planned.
So, there's too much work and too little time. That's the problem.
Then I suggest longer working hours.
I'm afraid the staff will get very tired. They're already complaining that we're demanding a lot of them.
There's a world of difference between expecting people to work 12 hours a day and asking them to occasionally work 10 hours. This is a very important client, so we must make sure to keep them satisfied. I'm in two minds as to whether it'd work or not. Well, do you have a better solution?
What if we hire some new people to help us with this project?
I'm afraid there's no time for this. You know that hiring new people takes time. Then we should pay people for the extra hours. This will keep them motivated. Okay, it seems I have no choice. I'll pay for the extra hours, and I'll also try to talk the client into leaving the deadline unchanged. Perfect. We appreciate it.
Did you enjoy everything? Yes, it was delicious. Please send my compliments to the chef. Outstanding work. Yes, of course, I will. You saved room for dessert, right?
Yes, certainly.
What will you have?
A piece of key lime pie, please.
And a piece of cheesecake with raspberry swirl for me, please. Okay. Can I take your plates? Yes, you can take them. We're finished. And would it be possible for you to pack the rest of our meal to take it home? Sure, no problem. I'll be back with your boxes and desserts in a few minutes.
How do you feel now? A lot better. I'm still taking medication, but I'm on the mend. I'll be discharged from the hospital in 2 days. Wow, that's great news. And when will you be able to attend classes again? Only next week. I'm counting down the days till you come back to school. Did I miss a lot in class? Not a lot, but you did miss a few things. Like today, Miss Amy made us write a poem. She gave us 10 words to use and a few rhyming words for reference. She told us to write 5 verses. It was really difficult. I struggled to find a topic to use these words in. Oh, she didn't give you a topic? No, she didn't. It sounds fun to me. Then you shouldn't miss next Tuesday's class. Same task? Yes. I'm there. Did I miss anything else? You missed the math test. Yes! You're so lucky. Lucky? Are you sure?